How to pronounce the letter R with a lovely British accent. Hi and welcome to another edition of Easy English. Simple rule about how to get a British accent is not to pronounce the sound every time you see it written. The letter R is pronounced a little bit like a dog. But how do we make that sound? If you're already familiar with how to make the sound, how to form it in the mouth, then you can jump ahead because I've got a timeline below. Jump ahead to where we look at when to make it so that you have a British accent and crucially when not to make the sound, which is more British. So to begin with, the mouth for the noise is like this. It's not wide open. It's not like it's not like ooh. It's It's relaxed, and the tongue is just behind the teeth, but not touching the teeth. And the noise is really coming from the vibration of the vocal cords. So it's just like the noise that a dog makes. A dog might go. So it's from the vibration of the vocal cords. So therefore R, the letter R, is a voiced sound. In the next slide, the letter R in the phonetic chart, it is restricting the sound So that is how to pronounce the letter R. To have a British accent, you need to omit the sound of the R very often when you see it written down. If you want an RP or a modern RP or even an estuary British accent, very often we actually omit the sound. And if you put that sound in, you're going to sound more American. It's going to be more like American English pronunciation or pronunciation of English from another part of the UK. For example, in the West Country, they do pronounce the sound. So they would say things like, for example, horse for a horse. And an American might say, hey, look, here's my horse. But to get a lovely British accent, we will say horse. Or an estuary accent might say, get on your horse. Or a Cockney accent might be, get on your horse. And leave out the H as well as the R, horse. Horse. Yeah, it's just or and s, or get on your horse. In the north of England, they may pronounce it something like they may omit the sound. So in London, we might say, I'm going to have a bath. I'm going to enjoy myself and soak in a relaxing bath. But in the north of England, they might say, oh, I'm going to do a Cornish one there. I'm going to get in bath. I'm going to have lovely bath. And in the southwest of England, it might be something like, oh, I'm going to have a nice bath and relax in it, like that. Subscribe to the video, ring the bell to get the notifications of new videos, but also if you do, please write in the comments, and I would love to hear from you about what aspects of British pronunciation you would like to see me do more videos about. That would be great. So see you next time.